Space Shuttle Orbiter. This reusable spacecraft changed how space missions were carried out by allowing astronauts to travel to space and return multiple times using the same vehicle. Introduced by NASA in the 1980s, the Space Shuttle Orbiter combined the power of a rocket during launch with the ability to glide like an airplane during landing. It was attached to a large external fuel tank and supported by solid rocket boosters during liftoff, which provided the massive thrust needed to escape Earth's gravity. Once in orbit, the orbiter would separate and operate as an independent spacecraft. One of its most important features was its large cargo bay, which could carry satellites, scientific instruments, and even entire modules used to build space stations. This made it a key tool in assembling the International Space Station over many years. Inside, it had a pressurized cabin where astronauts could live and work for days or weeks, conducting experiments in microgravity. After completing its mission, the orbiter would re-enter Earth's atmosphere at very high speeds, using heat-resistant tiles to survive the intense heat, and then land smoothly on a runway like an aircraft. Unlike earlier spacecraft that were used only once, the shuttle could be refurbished and flown again, making it a major step toward reusable space travel. Its design, combining multiple functions into one vehicle, made it one of the most complex and advanced space machines ever built. If you found this video interesting, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more such content.